are gathered here today to bear witness to something truly sacred. The union of two souls who found each other young, grew together, and chose again and again to walk side by side. Today, Sophie and Kyle stand before us, not at the beginning of their story, but as a continuation of one that began years ago.
You'll be my huckleberry, I'll be your bottom line. You'll be my slow and steady, I'll be your bottom